So if you know me, you know I hate driving in the dark time. So we're stuck here. I took the camera out because I was like, you know what, let's have a little adventure here in the dark time while I get home. Oh my god. Oh, it is way too bouncy right now. My subs. Oh, bump. This is not safe. This bright light is not safe at all. That light, I feel like, was giving me a blind spot. I couldn't see the curb. From here, you guys can't tell what I did. This is honestly one of my biggest mistakes. I don't know what got in my head. Those scratches, those sanding. Testing the mic. Does it work? Does it work from here? Hello, testing. This car's looking filthy. Welcome back, my beautiful people. I got some bad news. Well, it's not bad news. I got some dumb news for you guys. From here, you guys can't tell what I did. But the other day, I was cleaning my wheels, like deep cleaning my wheels, because when you have camber and it rains, the water tends to stay like in one spot, and that kind of stains the wheels. Like it leaves like a outline. But I did like a little bit of research, and AI Google told me to do this. Start with cleaning the wheels, no debris, no dirt. Start with 180 to 220 grit sandpaper. Finish off with 2000 grit. Polish the wheels. Apply a gloss clear coat to protect the polish. Consider using a range of sandpapers from 50 grit for heavy duty work. Remember, patience and attention to detail are key to achieving a smooth and shiny finish. I was like, yeah, you know, I got a bunch of sandpapers at the house. I got 1,000, I got 2,000 grit, I got 60 grit. Let me show you the 60 grit. So this is what happened. You know, go ahead and cook me. Oh my god. That is terrible. It looks like a little kid just came in here and started scratching up my wheels. I don't know what I was thinking. I should have just done the lip, but I was like, you know what? My faces have these scratches here. Like for example here, you see how it has like random scratches? That's kind of how that wheel looked like. And I was like, you know what? Let me stand it all down and let me like properly clean it. Those scratches.
Welcome to Watch Mojo, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 10 stupidest people.
Properly clean it. Those sanding. Let me show you guys one more time. Super close. Look at that. This is bad. It's literally like a kid came and just decided to draw with a rock. I'm gonna have to keep sanding it. This is honestly one of my biggest mistakes. I don't know what got in my head. This is actually bad. Should I just go to a professional? I didn't ask Dante to come and record because I know he would have been screaming at me. He would have been like, Steph, why did you do that? He would have been like,
only you, Steph, only you.
I don't know how I'm gonna fix this. How is it gonna be shiny again? I mean, I have polish. I could polish the wheels. Never answers. I could be dying. All by myself.
I'm sorry, the person you were trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Please try your call again later. Goodbye.
Remember how I told you I did something bad?
What'd you do?
To my wheels. Wait, don't even look. Like, it's actually really bad. I sanded them.
Oh, so you made them brushed?
No, come look.
That probably looks good.
No.
Oh, they're brushed.
Dante, I'm not done yet.
Nah, the lip looks fire.
Look at the scratch. No, yeah, the lip is fire. Is this? You see the scratches?
Why would you scratch your
faces?
Because I went. Though? But I know you could definitely brush them and have it nice and like smooth.
So that means I'm gonna have to do that with all of them.
Yeah, it's gonna take a while. You messed your things up. I don't know who told you to do this.
AI Google told me to do this.
At least it doesn't look bad though. Like I don't think it looks bad. It just
maybe right now.
It actually probably hits better because it matches your face now.
Oh, because it's silver.
Because your lips and your face were always two different colors. So now if you brush it all the way, it'll
both
match.
Look silver.
It'll both look brushed.
All right, I'll be here for 2 hours.
Yeah, you will.
Unless I use the hand thing.
You'll be here all day.
I'll probably use the hand thing.
Don't touch my wheel. My shit's nice and shiny over there.
I know.
Hey.
Why you always gotta bring up your cars? Do not try this at home. If you're at home, don't even sand your wheels. Moral of the story, don't sand your wheels. My common sense left the room. Okay, I officially ruined my wheels now. It's not that bad. The only thing is the sanding wheel. I kind of got too close and now the actual lip is scratched too.
I don't want to do this no more.
It's looking like way cleaner and more like, not whiter, but it's like brighter than this right here. I'm gonna low-key miss that shine, that reflection and shine. It's like no shine at all. I don't think I'm gonna do it to all the wheels yet, and then they all end up damaged, because I don't know what's gonna happen from this. This wheel is the test dummy, so if it lasts through rain, then we'll do it to all the wheels. My fingers hurt from just... My fingers are so done. Yeah, we're gonna continue either later on tonight or tomorrow. I need a little break. My hands need a break. You can see the dust on the car. Yep, I've inhaled all that dust. Record the wheel, record the wheel. Look at how that looks. All done.
Not great.
Excuse me? Excuse me? So I just drove out here and twins. The wheel doesn't look bad. Like, I like it. Every time I touch it, it's like so smooth. So W, no scratches now. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But I did polish them, and that kind of made it like not shiny, I would just say more cleaner. This is how it came out. It's definitely different from the rest, like this front one. Like, as you guys can see, this one has gloss and it still has scratches, so I don't know. I think I might actually do that to all my wheels just because I like how clean it looks and how it has no scratches now. And if anything, of course, I can always add this, whatever this was. I don't know if it was a dip, I don't know if it was a top coat, I don't know what this was, but I could always, you know, get it whenever I do want it, because so far I like the back. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys like better? Do you guys like the front or the back? I lost track of time. It's super late. This is so bad. Yo, my poor subs in the back. These are bad bumps. Yo, why is it like extra bouncy right now? Why is the road so bad? Damn, there's kids with the bike. I don't even think there was kids. Those were definitely grown men on a bike, like bicycle. They definitely seen me inside because I have my light on. This bright flashlight on. This is not safe. This bright light is not safe at all. Okay, this is way better. That light, I feel like, was giving me a blind spot. I couldn't see the curb. I couldn't see anything. So if you know me, you know I hate driving in the dark time. So we're stuck here. I took the camera out because I was like, you know what, let's have a little adventure here in the dark time while I get home safe and sound, you know. Tints and dark don't, you know, blend. Oh no, it's not just tints and darks, it's tints, darks, in a low car. Tints, dark, in a low car does not go well together. Can't see potholes, can't see reflectors. Oh my gosh, the bright. See, I didn't even see that pothole because this light wants to be super bright. I tried using that light, I can't. See, this is why it's so hard to record at nighttime when I'm driving, because the light is blinding. Oh my god. Oh, it's way too bouncy right now. I'm probably not even gonna use any of this footage. My subs, they probably dented my trunk. Oh, bump. I knew it. I gotta get over. Hate crowns. What if I just hold the camera right here while I'm on third gear? Ride the clutch, yep. Oh my god, I can't see anything. Made it safe and sound. I just gotta park now. I can't. I was thinking of a prank. Like, what if I go inside and be like, Dante, I was backing up, I couldn't see, and I hit the Tesla. I can't do that right now. He would crash out. Almost got stuck there. Like, Dante, I hit the Tesla. Yo, I can't prank. One day I'll, you know, I'm waking up. What the heck was that? I'm literally waking up the neighbors. I forgot forgot I even had this screen. Like I only use this screen just for music and that's it. Car setting. AC. 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 I've decided to do all my wheels like this. I'm gonna do it off camera because as you guys seen, it took me like probably like a full day or 2 days to do this one wheel. I'm also going to be putting a lens on my clear tails because I don't know if you guys noticed, but only one tail had lens because I was like, you know what, nobody's going to notice. We got to fix the car. We got to fix the car, you know. You know, one more thing about my car that I got to fix is this wheel cap. You know, I don't know where I'm gonna get one from. I've seen one on eBay, but like it comes with all fours, so I guess I might as well just buy all fours at this point. I'm basically gonna be doing that off camera so that when we come back, well, when you guys come back, the car is kind of like done and presentable, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for my next YouTube video because it's gonna be a fun one. Next one. Make sure you guys give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe, and see you guys in my next YouTube video. Stay blessed and stay safe. Peace.